What? Why are you talking to me? Really? Hello, little buddy. Little Miss. Hello, Aldo. Hello, Aldo. Hello, Will. Hi. What? What is it? What is it? Hello, Alvin. Hello, Alvin. Hello, Alvin. Hello, Aldo. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? The fawns. The fawns. Hi. Hi, Alvin. What? Alistair. Hello, Alistair. Hello, buddy. Hello, Mr. Alistair. Your ear is flipped. What? Mr. Alistair, are you coming out of your shell? Hi. What's going on? What's going on? What? Hello, Will. Hi. What's going on, Mr. Will? What? Yeah? Oh. Alvin. Hello, Alec. What are you doing, little pumpkin head? You and your little sable markings. Yes, this is me and my little sable markings. Yes. Hi, Eldo. What? Do you have something to say? Alistair. Alistair's got something to say? Well, what? What? Oh, yeah? What do y'all want? What do y'all want? What? What? Alice, are you going to go play with your toys? Olivia, what are you doing to your brother's tail? Olivia. Olivia. What? What is it? What you want? Mr. Alvin, what's you doing back there? Fonzie. Alfonso. Hi. Hi, Aldo. What? What do you want? What? Hi, Alistair. Olivia? What are you doing? What are you doing to your tail? What you doing to your tail? What you doing to it?